Hi guys, welcome to our channel and I am so excited for today's video because title से आपने guess कर ही लिया होगा what this video is about. Today I will share some beautiful kurta sets with all of you because Rakhi is just around the corner and this is the perfect time to style these pieces, and I kept all these pieces below 1000 rupees. So इस वीडियो में जो भी आप सूट सेट देखोगे that will be under 1000 rupees and these are amazing, बहुत 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 प्यारे हैं and you can easily wear them to your office or college as well if you want, because I did not keep it super heavy. These will be beautiful cotton suit sets that you will fall in love with. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And by the way guys, मैंने ये जितने भी सूट हैं ना सब Amazon से लिए हैं and we will be starting with one of my absolute favorite from this haul, and I have ordered everything in size large because I like my suit slightly loose. I don't like बिल्कुल एकदम से ऐसे fit वाले. So that is why. So if you like bilkul fitted suit, so go for size medium if you are like me, or you can always check your size as per the size chart. So the first suit set that I have, it's a beautiful anarkali in a rusty brownish orangish color, I must say, which has this beautiful V neck जिस पे ऐसे लेस का काम हुआ है सेम कलर से, एंड सेम ही काम स्लीव्स पर भी हुआ है as you all can see. And this is a beautiful अनारकली, नीचे भी इस पे सेम काम हो रखा है as you can see, and it's a three-piece set. So you get a beautiful pants in here in the same color because it's a all over kind of situation in here, and pants पर भी ना same lace का काम हो रखा है. And this is 100% cotton. Brand or sizes I will mention in the screen so you can check because I don't remember exactly right now. इसका जो दुपट्टा है that is again 100% cotton and इस पे ये beautiful सा print हो रखा है. This is so pretty. I mean इस सूट की वाइब एकदम ऐसे फेमिनिन गर्लिश है, so this will not be over the top. इसको you can easily wear at your office, in your college. You can pair the anarkali with your jeans as well. You can always multi-style it. This is very pretty. I love this. Now second suit which I have, it's again anarkali. It's a three-piece in size L, and this is by the brand Go Sriki, and this just costed me 799 rupees. और ये सूट देखने के बाद ना आपको लगेगा नहीं कि ये इतने कम प्राइस में है. अगेन दिस इज 100% कॉटन. इसका जो नेक है दैट इज ऑल्सो अगेन वी नेक, एंड इस पे ऐसा काम हुआ है लाइक अंगारखा टाइप का पैटर्न है इस पे एज यू कैन सी, एंड स्लीव्स पर भी प्रिंट हुआ है गोल्डन कलर से. सो दिस एड्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डिटेल टू द ओवरऑल आउटफिट एंड आई जस्ट लव दिस. एंड इसका जो नीचे भी बॉर्डर है ना उस पे ऐसे गोटा पट्टी का काम हो रखा है. सो दिस लुक्स वेरी प्रिटी and I can't wait to style this. So this is again a very good option for Raksha Bandhan. And इसका जो दुपट्टा है that is very, इस कपड़े को क्या बोलते हैं that I don't know. It is not net, it is not cotton, but it's very soft. And पूरे दुपट्टे पर भी ऐसे गोल्डन डिटेल्स हैं, गोल्डन प्रिंट हो रखा है. So this will look very pretty. And if I talk about the pants are plain only. Pants पर इस पे कोई काम नहीं है, कोई लेस नहीं है, but it's very comfortable because it is 100% cotton. So this is perfect. अभी जो weather चल रहा है like ऐसे humidity monsoon वाला जो weather है उसमें this is absolute perfect, and this will be an absolute stunner for you. Full A-line kurta and इस पे बांधनी print है, and I just love the fabric of this. And this is not 100% cotton. It's a blend of rayon and cotton. Again very soft, and इस weather के लिए it will be absolute perfect. And इसके neck पे again this has a kind of V neck, and ये जो work है guys, this work right here, this is not cheap at all. This is very good quality of work on this. And This is a A-line suit. Again, it's a three-piece. So we got a suit, then we got a dupatta. Dupatta is of georgette and border पे same जैसा सूट पे बांधनी print है, same काम है. And this gota patti, this is very pretty. And pants are obviously cotton, and it's a straight normal pant जैसे कोई भी हमारा normal pant होता है सूट के साथ में. So this is very pretty, and this is just for rupees 609. And I got myself the Sarge and I got myself size large. So this is very pretty, and this is extremely soft. I mean, super soft. And in general, I love such prints, like printed essay. Now coming to our fourth kurta set. Again, this is a three-piece set. मैंने जितने भी सूट मंगाए हैं ना, सारे three piece हैं, like a dupatta, suit and pant. So this one has my heart because I just love the color and the overall print of it. This one is so simple yet chic. So this is this one. I mean, look at this. This is so summer appropriate, and this is just for 789 rupees. So again, this has this V neck, and इस पे ना ये print हुआ है, and this is 100% cotton again, because I chose the material of the clothes keeping the weather in mind. And this sleeve, I mean इसके जो sleeves हैं उस पे ये white color का lace लगा हुआ है, which is again so pretty. I mean, ये जो छोटे छोटे डिटेल होती है ना, this instantly elevate your overall outfit, and I just love this. दुपट्टा is simple, again 100% cotton, and same print का काम है इस पे जैसा सूट पे हो रखा है. This is super pretty, and आपको ये पहन के ना बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं लगने वाली है, and this will look so classy on you. Trust my words on it. एंड जो उसका पैंट है, आई लव इट बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट अ नॉर्मल पैंट जैसे अभी हमारे बाकी सूट्स का मैंने आपको दिखाया है. दिस हैज़ दिस डिटेलिंग राइट हियर, सो काइंड ऑफ जैसे अफगानी सलवार होती है ना, it has that touch to it, but not that intricate. So this will look so good on you. See, I just love it. So the last suit that I have, again I got this in size large, and this is this beautiful white and black. Look at this, and this is a A-line kurta, and इस पे ना ये thread work है, like this is the thread work with this tiny little golden detailing. इस पे ऐसे flowers बने हुए हैं, and this has the round neck, and इसकी जो sleeves हैं, oh my god, probably पूरे हॉल में ना इसकी sleeves I love the most, because उस पे ऐसे white और black कलर के लेस से डिटेलिंग दी हुई है, and this look super pretty. and overall इस पूरे सूट पे सेम काम हो रखा है, नीचे भी यू गेट द सेम, लाइक जो सूट का बॉर्डर होता है ना उस पे भी यू गेट द सेम इफेक्ट, लाइक हियर as you can see. This looks so pretty. and जो दुपट्टा है, अगेन दुपट्टे पे भी सेम ऐसे बॉर्डर लगा हुआ है, as you can see. This looks so good, and the material of this dupatta is of chiffon, which is super soft. and इसका जो पैंट है that is normal, like पैंट पे कोई काम नहीं है, simple normal white पैंट है, but this is the quality of this is really nice, and again this is 100% cotton, so I just love it. and इसका जो price है, let me just check for you all, and this is for 699 rupees, and you get two colors in this particular suit. One is this white and black, and the other one is just the reverse, I mean black and white. so if you don't like this color, you can always opt for the other color. but मुझे white ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहा था, because I do have black so many. So yeah, with that, this is the wrap of this Amazon under 1000 rupees haul. Do let me know in the comments कि आप लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद कौन सा सूट आया इसमें, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.